To switch back to a personal account on Instagram, start by opening the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android device. Once the app is open, tap on your profile icon at the bottom of the screen. On your profile page, select the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to access the settings. Within the settings menu, scroll down until you find the Creator Tools and Controls section, which appears if you currently have a professional or creator account. From there, scroll further down and select Switch Account Type at the bottom. Choose Switch to Personal Account and review the changes, as you may lose certain features. Once confirmed, you'll be switched back to a personal account, and the For Professional section will no longer be visible in your settings.